Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone guys sound and vibration setting guys. And today video title is guys tap sound, how can we disable. Then what is tap sound? So once you can see guys when we tap on guys any button and guys when we tap on any icon. So once you can see guys your background guys this tap sound setting guys you don't like guys, you want to disable in your Infinix phone. So how can you disable? Today friends I will show you guys. So first of all guys you will have to turn on guys your phone setting to disable guys this sound. So after on phone setting guys you can see this type of setting in your Infinix phone device. So guys you can disable from guys your phone sound and vibration setting. Let's click on phone sound and vibration and again scroll it. As you can see guys Infinix phone guys phone touch sound guys, when tap sound guys we will disable from here. After disable guys you can operate your phone without this tap sound and touch sound guys. You can see guys this sound will not work in our Infinix phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to disable tap sound in Infinix phone device. So bye guys, we will meet on next video guys. Thanks for watching.